Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix an issue where your PC is not using all its CPU cores. Sometimes if you are manually set the number of cores in MSconfig, your system might only use a limited number of them. I will explain how to reset these settings to make sure all your cores are active, but that's not all. I'll also introduce you to a tool called ParkControl. Sometimes your system power settings might park or disable some cores to save energy, which can affect performance. With ParkControl, you can easily manage core parking and ensure your CPU is always using its full potential. Let's dive in and make sure your PC is running at its best. What you can do here, I will explain each and everything, but first, as I said, the first step is open MSconfig. Just click on the Windows search icon and type MSconfig or system configuration, or just press Windows plus R key and type MSconfig and hit enter. It will pop up a small window, the system configuration. Now you need to click on the boot and then advanced option. Now the thing is, make sure sometimes you are using third-party tools that misconfigure your settings, and mostly it's like you are editing registry files without any knowledge. So that's where you are facing the issues. What you need to do here, right now I have Ryzen 5 3600 with 6 core and 12 threads. Currently you can see I have choose here the 12 threads and number of processes checked, but in your case might be you will see here only if you have the same specs and you are seeing here only 6 or whatever the number from here. Just suppose we are going with the 5 and click on OK, hit apply, and now if I restart my PC on the next boot, I will see only here the 5 cores, not the 12 cores, just because we set here the 5 cores and then we restart. So now whenever you launch or restart your PC, you will see only 5 cores over here, or processors. You need to uncheck this and then restart your PC. After restarting your PC, once again open the system configuration file, then go into the advanced option, and this time you will see the entire list of your processors. Choose the maximum and then click OK, hit apply and OK. This time you can restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed 100%. Now let's talk about the registry files or the power options. Sometimes some misconfiguration in power settings can cause this issue. So first type here the power options. Now go one step back, power options, over here choose the AMD Ryzen high performance if you have, otherwise choose the high performance. If it's already chosen, then what you need to do here, close this one, open CMD, right click on it, run as administrator. Now we need to create another new performance mode. Now I will provide the command in the description. Simply you need to copy and paste over here and then hit enter. Now you can see here the power scheme guide, which is over here. Ultimate performance is created. Now type exit, hit enter. Now again go into the power option. You will see here this time another ultimate power options, which is over here, right? Now this time you can choose that one. This will solve your issue. If still you are facing, then what you need to do here, you need to download the ParkControl, and that's the website. You can search it on Google. You can easily find this software or tool, and once you are here, simply you need to click on the download. I have already downloaded, but let me show you again. Simply install this. Once you launch this, now you will see here currently the power CPU settings for power profile. You need to choose here the high performance, which is over here. In my case AMD high performance, but in case if you are not a AMD user, you can choose any other like ultimate performance. And if you are a laptop user, make sure close this for high performance. And same you need to do here with the plugin AC settings. You can turn it off, or you can choose the turn on and set here the 100% and set here the 100%, sorry, not 200%, and same you can set here the 100%, and then you can click here make active and then hit apply. And that's it. Now you can restart your PC. You will see inshallah the full course, the 12 of 12 course. And that's it guys for today's video. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll respond you as soon as possible. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.